Hey, Majestic Gord here. I just found something very, very precious that lives on this earth. And it is a little baby rabbit. I took him away from my dog because my dog, you know, he's a dog, so took him away from my dog. Look at him, little baby. So I took him away from my dog, and I'm gonna put him in my backyard somewhere where he don't get hurt by cats and stuff. So I thought this would be adventure. Let's look here. There's a hot tub that's broken. Grass, which the rabbit probably will eat. A broken ladder that I broke. Huge tree. This looks like a grave, but it's not. It's a garden. Here he is. Look at him. He's ready to go. He's ready to go into the world. This was a nature experience, but now it's time to set him free. We will set him free near the great tree of wonder in my backyard. Here we go. The time has come. Go, little buddy. Go, little buddy. There he is. Hop away. Hop away. Burrow. Burrow deep within the tree. It will protect you. But for now, he will live.